Many people wonder where their money goes every month. They work hard and pay bills, yet little money is left. It's confusing. There is often no major purchase to blame, yet the balance slowly disappears. The reason could be simple: a silent money leak. Small expenses seem harmless: a subscription, a quick purchase, a daily coffee. Individually, these amounts are small and often ignored. However, the true impact becomes clear over time. Money habits work through accumulation. Repeated small purchases create significant expenses. For example, a $10 daily expense adds up to $300 a month. Most people don't see the full picture due to numerous small transactions. Modern technology has made spending easier. A few taps on a phone can lead to quick purchases, making people unaware of how often they spend. Subscriptions are a major contributor to silent money leaks. Monthly fees for music, streaming, and apps can add up significantly. Financial awareness is key. Review your expenses and recognize spending patterns. Awareness often reveals forgotten expenses. Small adjustments can lead to meaningful improvements in financial habits. Cancel unused subscriptions and reduce automatic purchases. Money decisions take time to show results. Closing small leaks now can lead to stability and flexibility in the future. Silent money leaks are easy to overlook. Awareness can make a powerful difference in your financial decisions. Consider subscribing to Money Explained Simple for more insights on money and financial habits. Invest in your financial education